Hello everyone and welcome to LifeTips, the channel that inspires you to live a healthier, more mindful, and truly fulfilling life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: daily habits of seniors with spotless homes. Have you ever wondered how some seniors manage to keep their homes so immaculate every single day? Today, we're going to reveal their routines, share a mysterious secret that might transform your cleaning habits, and invite you to share your own tips for keeping a spotless home. Let's begin by exploring the simple yet powerful daily routines these seniors swear by. Many of them believe that consistency is the key to a clean home. Instead of spending hours cleaning in one go, they have a series of short, mindful actions spread throughout the day. For instance, many start their mornings by opening windows to let in fresh air and natural light. This not only gives their home a breath of fresh air, but also helps clear away dust and odors naturally. Throughout the day, these seniors practice what we call clean as you go. Whether it's after preparing a meal, reading a book, or engaging in a hobby, they make it a habit to tidy up immediately. Instead of letting clutter accumulate, they put everything back in its rightful place right after use. This habit prevents mess from building up and keeps their environment orderly and stress-free. Now here's where things get truly interesting: the mysterious secret that sets these spotless homes apart. Many of these seniors have a dedicated power hour each day, often scheduled for the early afternoon when energy levels are still high. During this time, they engage in what they call a mindful cleaning ritual. Imagine turning on your favorite uplifting music, putting aside all distractions, and moving through your home with a clear, focused mind. Every task becomes an opportunity for meditation, whether it's dusting a shelf, wiping down a table, or even rearranging a vase of fresh flowers. They believe that cleaning in this mindful state not only keeps the house spotless, but also rejuvenates the mind and spirit. This ritual transforms cleaning from a chore into a form of self-care, making it both productive and emotionally fulfilling. In addition to these routines, many seniors are champions of regular decluttering. They periodically review their belongings and let go of items that no longer serve them. This habit isn't just about reducing physical clutter, it's also about creating a peaceful, inspiring environment. By surrounding themselves only with things that bring joy and utility, they create a space that feels both spacious and serene. This practice can reduce stress and even spark creativity, as a clean, organized environment often leads to a clearer, more focused mind. Another key habit is the attention to small details that many of us overlook. For example, some seniors keep a daily checklist that includes tasks like wiping down frequently touched surfaces, polishing silverware, or even taking a few minutes to fluff and rearrange cushions on the sofa. These small acts, when done consistently, accumulate over time and result in an impressively spotless home. I also want to mention the importance of having the right tools and products. Many seniors have discovered that using natural cleaning agents like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon not only helps in achieving a sparkling clean home, but also ensures that the environment is safe and free from harsh chemicals. These natural alternatives are gentle on both surfaces and your health, making them a favorite among those who are mindful about the products they bring into their homes. Before I wrap up, I want to ask you, do you have any daily habits or secret tips for keeping your house spotless? Perhaps there's a unique ritual or a mysterious cleaning hack that you swear by. Share your habits and secrets in the comments below. Your experience might be the inspiration someone else needs to transform their living space. If you enjoyed learning about these daily habits and the intriguing Power Hour cleaning ritual, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to LifeTips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips on living your best life. Thank you for watching, and here's to a clean, calm, and inspiring home, one mindful habit at a time.